Choosing a broker can be so challenging, especially when you don't know where to even start and what to even look for from specific brokers that you will actually bump into. And today we're going to be talking about that, exactly what you need, help in how to choose a broker and how to sign up with a broker. And I will show you all of that using the broker that I specifically chose. I will explain to you why I chose this broker and how it's going for me so far. So first of all, before we get into it, I'd like to say thank you so much for my subbies for continuing to come back and for the notification gang. I see you guys, Koki M. I see you all the time on all my comment sections, and baby girl, I am so happy that you keep coming back to learn more, because it's people like you that help my channel grow and I can reach more people and help more people. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, you better hit the subscribe button now and hit the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a video, you are able to see my videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let's get into it. Sharing my screen with you guys because I want to give you guys a step-by-step guide as to how to sign up with a broker. But first, obviously, like I said, I will explain how to choose a broker. So with me, what happened was, when I first knew what Forex trading was, I think my first broker was Plus 500, and then I moved to XM Markets. Those two brokers were brokers that actually gave bonuses when you joined them, but before you can actually withdraw whatever profits that you make, there's a specific amount that you have to fund your trading account with, and then you can withdraw those funds. Those were definitely legit brokers, but the spread that they gave was not too favorable with me, and to be honest with you, I didn't really like those brokers. But because I didn't know what a broker actually was and that there were so many options out there, I stuck with them. Obviously, I cannot really give you so much detail about those particular brokers because I didn't stay with them so long, and also it was at a time when I didn't really know what Forex trading was. So the reason of me telling you this is to let you know that there are actually brokers that will offer you some sort of bonus when you join. Other brokers like CM Trading, for example, will give you like a bonus when they do actually have the promotion going on. I don't know if they have it now, but there was a time whereby if you join and fund your account with a specific amount, they'd also give you 50% of that amount that you had funded your account with to help you trade with a bigger account. So these brokers that give you bonuses can be an advantage because they help you trade with a bigger account. The disadvantage can be that you actually get into it not knowing that there's a specific amount that you have to fund with in order to actually withdraw your funds, especially when you've made profits and you don't have any money to actually fund that account with, and so you end up not getting your profits at all. But obviously, a man make a plan, meaning any person can make a plan, so that's probably not such a big hiccup. But then again, I cannot comment on those brokers so much simply because I didn't stay with them so long. So I traded with CM Trading for a while, and I think the reason I left the broker was because of the spread. I wasn't so excited with the spread that I had, especially with my indices, because I was only learning to trade indices and my account was not as big. So the spread for me was not so favorable because I would actually be taken out at stop loss simply because of my spread, but not because the week or the price actually got to that point, and then it would take me out and then move in my direction. And that happened too many times for me. And because I wasn't on the platinum, I think I was on a bronze account, because they give you a bronze, platinum and gold account, and I think because I was on a bronze account, my spread was so much bigger, and I didn't have enough money to actually register for a platinum or a gold account. But then again, if you have enough money, I think you need $250 to actually sign up with them for a gold account, if I'm not mistaken, then you get a smaller spread. honestly, that will not be an issue for me now, but because I actually moved on to another broker, which I'm happy with so far, I don't see any reason why I should move back. So, first things first, right? When you want to actually sign up with a broker, do not mind my eyes. I'm actually looking at my laptop and I'm sharing my screen with you just now. When you actually start to look for a broker, I think one of the things that you can search is best rather Forex trading brokers in South Africa. I wanted to search in my area, but let's just search in South Africa, and then there it goes, shows you FX Pro, HF Markets, XMZA, and yeah. So you see there's so many websites that you can actually go into that give you like 10 bids, so many options that you can actually click with. Oh, I also traded with IC Markets quite a while back, and I think I left it because somebody that mentors me to trade recommended something else for me, and which is what I'm with now, and I'm very happy where I am. So at the moment I trade with Veracity Markets. They are definitely not an old broker. They haven't really been there for as long as most brokers have been there for, but I'm happy with them. Reason being, the first reason that I'm happy with Veracity Markets is that I love their spread. Okay, their spread is definitely amazing, like especially during the peak hours of trading. That is when you can get to actually appreciate the spread that they give to you. And another thing I love about Veracity Markets is how easy it is to actually fund my account. It's really easy to fund your account with Veracity Markets, and withdrawals are also very easy. So before, what they used to have, because I bank with FNB, they would have FNB like as a bank on its own, which you could fund your account through, but now they use Ozo. But I'm going to show you all of that just now as to how you fund your account with them, how you sign up with them, and all of that. The reason I'm showing you an example of how to sign up with a broker with them is because I'm familiar with them and they're what I use. It doesn't make sense for me to give you an example with a broker that I don't use, because at the end of the day, that would be me recommending you to a broker that I don't know much about, and this is a broker I know much about. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to comment in the comment section down below, or to even email me, and I'll be more than happy to help you, because I use them on a daily. Another thing I love about Veracity Markets is that they have such a good customer service. Like, the customer service is so amazing. Bear in mind, this is not like a paid promotion video. They're not paying me to do this. I just simply love working with them. Like, every time I've had like a hiccup, stupid hiccups for that matter, there has always been someone ready to help me with that hiccup, and they're so patient and they're so helpful, and they always reassure you that should you ever need help with more stuff, they will be always there waiting to help you. And that for me is amazing. There is some customer service that I haven't gotten from other online brokers in like quite a while. I know brokers like CM Trading actually call you now and then, but either way, I still love what I have with Veracity Markets, and that's why I'm staying. I have no idea if maybe I'm gonna find something better. I don't want to get into the habit of actually jumping to different brokers at a time. I want to stick with a broker until I'm not happy with their services anymore. But so far, so good. So anyway, let's get into it. We're gonna search Veracity Markets. So I think what I'm gonna do is that let me just go to one of my videos to actually click on the link to register. Wait, let me just search here, Veracity Markets registration. Alright, because we want to register a new account. So the first step to registering to your Veracity Markets, this is what you're gonna get when you search Veracity Markets. And then this is a really nice thingy going on where they ask you if you need help or whatever, and these are the options that they offer you. So the spreads are definitely really low, Trading instruments. By trading instruments, they mean that you can trade indices, you can trade currency pairs, you can trade, I think, also cryptocurrency, if I'm not mistaken. It's just I don't trade cryptocurrency at the moment. I only invest in it, so I have no idea how that works. Probably the same way Forex trading works, and that you have a $10 minimum deposit, which in South Africa I think is around 130 rands, and you can definitely trade currency pairs with this amount. Definitely might take a while to grow it, obviously, but it's still something. And the leverage is 1:500. This is definitely the leverage that I prefer. Like, obviously, I'm gonna prefer this because ever since I started trading, I was taught by from Forex Chaser, sorry, and he taught me to use the 1:5 leverage. And I remember when I was trading plus 500, I think I was 1:100, and that wasn't going so well. So the amount of leverage that you choose is also very important, and I love the fact that they made this their standard leverage, because some people do not know what leverage to choose, and right now, according to my knowledge, this is the best leverage to actually trade your trading account at. So immediate deposits and immediate withdrawals, I love that you can immediately deposit. It's like, guys, it doesn't even take a minute to deposit into my trading account. It doesn't take a minute to withdraw from my trading account. Obviously, I wait for the money to reflect, but it takes like maybe a few hours depending on what bank you're with. But you never have to wait a week or 3 days or 4 days. You get your money. And again, like I said, the email support from Monday to Friday is amazing. It is so amazing. Always getting somebody who's really there to help you. So because you want to now open an account, you're gonna choose the option sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to then put in all your information here. Individual client, obviously. Then let's do this. But I already have an account. But anyway, you put in your name, your surname, obviously, and then you just fill in everything and make sure that you accept all the terms and conditions, and then you hit continue. So once you've hit continue, let me just open my account. Trying to open an account for you guys so that you know what page it takes you to, and then you include your phone number and your email. The issue is that I've already opened an account, so I can't really do that. So once you hit continue, then it's going to take you to, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's going to take you now to your page, right? On that page, it's going to say congratulations for registering with us, and then it's going to send you an email. Veracity Markets is going to send you an email to verify your account. Then you just verify your account, and then they give you their trading platforms, right? Platforms that you can trade on. Then they give you MetaTrader 4 for Android or MetaTrader 4 for your MacBook. So for your Windows or your MacBook or Apple or Android. So in my case, obviously, because I'm using an HP laptop, I got a link for the Windows Microsoft Office MetaTrader 4 platform. So as you can see, this also actually gives you let's see where that takes us. There you go. So yeah, it's either for your PC or your Mac, and you choose the option that you want, and then you download on that. So basically, this is how that app is going to look. That's how it's going to look. And then this is like how you get onto you also get that for your Veracity Markets profile. Instead of actually having to go into Google, you can access it right here. Obviously, to find your trading account, you need to go online onto Google to be able to fund your account. So another thing that you need to know about Veracity Markets is that obviously you're gonna need to upload your ID, you're gonna need to upload your proof of address, and then you're gonna need to upload the bank card that you want to use to deposit and withdraw from your account, and then they're gonna verify that. My documents were verified, I think, in less than 2 hours, which is awesome, and I was able to trade the very same day my documents were verified. So another thing that you can do on the MetaTrader 4 platform, I think on any other MetaTrader platform, is that you can analyze on the charts, but I personally prefer analyzing on TradingView and then placing my trades obviously on the MetaTrader 4 platform. On the MetaTrader 4 platform. So far, I hope that I've given you enough information to know about what you need to open your trading account with a broker. The first thing you need to do, step 1, again, let's just go through the steps again so that you don't forget. Step 1 is that you need to research which broker that you're most happy with, and in my case it is with Veracity Markets. Once you found your broker, you want to then select the sign up option or create account option, and then you're going to give them all your details. You're going to fill in every detail that you need to fill in there, and then it will take you to the step whereby you need to then upload certain documents to get them verified. The broker will then verify those documents, and they will verify your account by sending you an email with a verification link. After you have done all those steps whereby you've actually given them your documents, you've given them your details, and you've verified everything, then you will be able to trade. Then you can deposit funds. And honestly speaking, that is the easiest thing to do in terms of depositing your funds into a trading account. If you guys want me to show you how to deposit funds into your broker account, always comment in the section down below, and I can show you, and I can also show you how to withdraw. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that my video was informative for you guys and that you were able to find the answers that you needed. Like I said, I'm always willing to reply to the comments in the comment section, and I'm very more than happy to reply to the emails or to the DMs on my social media. So feel free to contact me. All my contact spaces are in the description box down below, and to sign up with the broker that I'm using, I can't recommend anything else, lol, because why would I do that, right? Then I can't help you if you have questions for me. But to sign up with Veracity Markets, the broker that I use, you can always click on the link in my description box and tell me how it goes. And I doubt you will need my help because these people's customer service is amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video until this far. Feel free to like and subscribe and share the videos with your family and your friends and on your social media so that we can reach more people, so that I can help more people. Because remember, as my YouTube channel grows, it means that I'm reaching more people and I'm helping more people, and that makes me so happy, because then I know that the purpose that I have is being fulfilled. You are amazing for watching this video till this far, and I'm so grateful for you, and I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.